You too. It's your boy Cash coming at y'all with another video. So yo, in this video, I got the do-rag that broke the internet. The do-rag that broke the internet. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this. Stay tuned. Yeah, so the do-rags that broke the internet, alright? If you got Twitter, I ain't got a Twitter account, but I heard through the grapevine that Twitter was going crazy or whatever like that. So I had to go up there and figure out what was going on. Alright, everybody was talking about these velvet do-rags. Yeah, the velvet do-rags, alright? And there's one brand of do-rags that I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all in a few seconds is she was charging, it was actually a female who was making these do-rags, and she was charging people $40 a pop for a do-rag, you know what I'm saying? And niggas was going crazy about it. They like, I ain't paying no $40 for no do-rag. Yo, how she gonna charge $40 for a do-rag? You know what I'm saying? Well, most people could go get do-rags for a couple of dollars, under $5, you know what I'm saying? And a silky do-rag at that, you feel me? So I went up on her site, checked out the do-rags. They were all velvet do-rags. But I ain't gonna lie, them do-rags them joints was tough. Them joints look tough, you know what I'm saying? So I did a little bit more research, all right? And I found out some other companies that also selling velvet do-rags, all right? And so what I did was I put a little something together for y'all to show y'all the velvet do-rags. I'm gonna let y'all know where I got mine for the low, all right? And then I'm gonna show y'all the other companies that also sell velvet do-rags. And we're gonna go ahead and talk about the price, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all about the texture because I know the texture is a big thing. Alright, so let's go. Alright, yeah, so let's get into the do-rag that I got. So the do-rag that I got on right now, this beautiful thing right here, alright, was by this company called Maine do-rag or Man do-rag. I might be saying it wrong, but it's either Man or Maine do-rag, alright? Now they got velvet do-rags, they also got them in different colors. They got them in red, they got them in blue, they got them in yellow, they got them in pink, and they got them in black, of course, alright? So I decided to go with the black because black almost goes with everything, you feel me? So I got the black one, alright? Yo, one thing I can tell you off the back, the weight. Now the weight of these do-rags, it is definitely not what you used to, alright? These do-rags right here are definitely way heavier than a So Many Waves do-rag, a Dream Deluxe do-rag, and a Rico Remix do-rag, alright? These joints are heavy. Not heavy to where you like is weighing down your head, but you definitely gonna feel the weight difference when it comes to these do-rags, alright? The next thing is when it comes to these velvet do-rags, the price is definitely gonna be way more than what you expecting to pay, alright? Now, I was fortunate and lucky to get my do-rag for $20. $20. And that's actually the lowest that I seen any velvet do-rag sold for was $20, all right? The rest of the do-rags that I've seen go anywhere from $30, range all the way up to $175 for a do-rag, But if you got it, go ahead and spend it, you feel me? I personally recommend that if you want a velvet do-rag, go to the company that I went to and got mine. That way you can get the same thing for the low, all right? Now, one of the big concerns that a lot of people have when it comes to these velvet do-rags is how is the inside texture of the do-rag, because they want to know what's on their hair. One of the things that I can tell you right now is the velvet do-rag is not velvet in the inside. So you're not going to have this velvet cloth looking feel, all right, touching your hair, because yes, it will probably mess up your hair texture. It will probably have your hair looking matted and stuff like that. It's actually a soft, I don't know the exact fabric because when I received mine, it didn't say what the inside fabric was. Do it feel like a silky do-rag? No, it don't. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It don't feel like a silky do-rag on the inside. But it's better that I show y'all than for me to keep telling y'all what it is. So let me get ahead and take it off because I got my silky do-rag underneath, all right? So alright, so this is the do-rag, y'all. Alright, so this is the velvet material. Y'all can see the velvet, see how it looks kind of cloth looking or whatever the case may be. Now the inside of it, you can see it's the outside and it's the inside. You can see that it's not velvet in the inside. All right, it is like a smoother material on the inside. All right, it's not velvet. All right, but either way, I wasn't sure whether or not if the texture of this fabric was something that would affect my hair texture, but I needed to put double compression anyway because I had some hair sticking up back here that I put some pomade on and had to rag up and made sure my hair like really laid down. I had my little alfalfa thing going on. For those that don't know who alfalfa is, that's from the Little Rascals. Go watch that movie. It's a good movie. All right, I used to watch it when I was a kid. But anyway, off of that. All right, yeah. So, but the velvet do-rag is dope. If you get a chance or if you got the money, man, go ahead and get you one of these or whatever like that. But the inside texture is not velvet for these do-rags. All right, it is a smooth texture for these do-rags, but it's not the silky, as y'all can see, it's not the silky texture. It's not the silky texture like the Dream Deluxe or So Many Waves in the Rico remix. All right, but it is a dope do-rag to have. And just to say you have one, be like, yeah, I got a velvet do-rag, I got one of those, you know what I'm saying? Whatever the case may be. So now let's go ahead and get into all the companies that offer these velvet do-rags. Let's go. Oh yeah, so I got one more thing to tell y'all because I know I already told y'all about the texture or the type of do-rag. I already told y'all it's a velvet do-rag. I showed y'all the inside of it, all right, and let y'all know it's not silky like this, but it is a smoother material than velvet, all right. I also told y'all the price, which I got mine for $20 in $19.99, all right. Another thing that I know is a big concern to a lot of people is the string length, all right. So I did a length check with the Deluxe do-rag, the Rico Remix do-rag, all right, and with this do-rag. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this velvet do-rag got hella length, all right. I tied my joint. This is me. I didn't untie it when I took it off my head. I didn't untie the do-rag at all. All right, y'all just saw me. I just peeled it off. Look how much extra string I got. All this extra string I still got. I could tie this thing in a knot again, all right. I could tie it in a knot again. And probably again, all right? Y'all know with the do-rags, most of the other do-rags or whatever, the silky do-rags we be getting, you be like with your fingertips trying to tie, especially if you got a big ass head like some of y'all, you know what I'm saying? But nah, for real, you be having like, you almost use your fingertips to tie these do-rags sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Because the string length be so short. So if y'all worried about the string length is definitely the longest strings that I've ever seen on a do-rag ever, all right? So that is definitely a plus.